I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolled chapati. First, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a soft chapati. Now that your dough has rested, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal-sized balls. Lightly dust your work surface and rolling pin with a little flour to prevent sticking. Roll each ball into a thin, even circle, aiming for about 6 to 7 inches in diameter. The key is to keep the thickness consistent throughout, ensuring the edges are not too thick for a perfect chapati. With your chapatis rolled, let's get cooking. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Place 1 rolled chapati onto the griddle. Cook for about 30 seconds until you see small bubbles forming on the surface. Then, flip it over and cook the other side for another 30 to 45 seconds. You can gently press with a cloth to help it puff up beautifully. Your delicious chapatis are almost ready. Once cooked, immediately brush one side with a small amount of ghee or butter for extra flavor and softness. Stack the warm chapatis in an insulated container. This helps them stay warm and incredibly soft. Serve these fresh, homemade chapatis with your favorite curries, vegetables, or lentils. Enjoy the wonderful taste of your perfectly prepared meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.